Does your stomach keep churning? Do you feel heavy in your stomach after eating? Do you not feel hungry? If so, then there is no need to worry. Stay with us. Fennel is rich in vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. It is an excellent natural herb for improving digestion, weight loss, freshening breath, and eliminating stomach gas and acidity. Fennel speeds up metabolism, which reduces excess fat in the body. It is a natural mouth freshener that eliminates bad breath by eliminating bacteria in the mouth. Due to potassium and fiber, it controls blood pressure and improves heart health. Fennel is also beneficial for women, helping to reduce menstrual pain and cool the body. It is very useful for problems such as indigestion, gas, and bloating. Fennel has many natural benefits, but today we will use it in our medicine to relieve indigestion, gas, and stomach heaviness. Stay with us to prepare the complete medicine. The next important product in our medicine is clove. Clove is not just a fragrant spice, but also has numerous medicinal benefits. It has been used for centuries to treat various diseases and improve health. Thus, people use it for toothache and people use it for joint pain, but nature has also endowed it with immense properties. Clove stimulates gastric secretions, which relieves gas, bloating, and upset stomach. It is a natural aid in speeding up the digestive process. Its antibacterial properties also help in eliminating bad breath. Regular consumption of cloves increases the body's immunity. According to research, it also helps in balancing cholesterol and improving heart health. Mint is an aromatic herb that not only enhances the taste of food but is also very beneficial for health due to its medicinal properties. It contains important components like vitamin A, C, calcium and iron. Mint helps in relieving stomach heaviness, gas, and indigestion. It is also helpful in eliminating stomach worms and getting rid of sour belching. The menthol present in it creates a feeling of coolness and freshness in the mouth. The use of mint opens the respiratory tract. Mint calms the mind and creates a feeling of freshness. Thanks to these properties, mint plays an important role in our stomach medicine. It would be unfortunate if we did not take advantage of the benefits of ginger to improve gas problems and the digestive system. It stimulates digestive juices and provides relief from indigestion, stomach pain, and gas. Gingerol, a substance present in ginger, reduces inflammation. With this, our medicinal products are complete, but you can use black salt in it. It is very easy to make the medicine. Grind equal amounts of fennel and cloves to make a powder. Similarly, dry the mint and make a double amount of powder. Mix these three powders well. Now make fresh ginger sauce and store in a jar. Now take half a spoon of ginger sauce with your daily meals, mix a pinch of powder in it and eat it with your meals. Gas and stomach problems will go away. To learn more herbal medicine, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Remember the channel, Nature Cure 0020.